Thank you, Nisha, for that very nice start. And yes, I'm trying to wear that weapon that you talked about, the smile. So, good morning, everybody, and a warm welcome on my behalf as well. As Nisha pointed out, this is the first time that the Machinist magazine is foraying into this segment, the aerospace and defense segment. And as the editor of the Machinist magazine, this is definitely a moment of pride for me. Well, as we embark on this journey, let me tell you what inspired me to conceptualize this event. Well, like Nisha's quote, this is also another quote, but this quote is a little closer at home. This is from none other than General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Defense Staff, Government of India. General Rawat said, and I quote, the industry must seize the opportunities in defense manufacturing and make India a net exporter of defense equipment. What a powerful thought this is. In fact, the thought that the Make in India initiative should be relooked with focus on import substitution, sustained domestic demand, as well as creating a strong lineup of global exports is very motivating. I think therein lies the roots of Atmanirbhar Bharat as far as this industry is concerned. Today, irrespective of what our critics and rivals say, India is growing by leaps and bounds in its global stature, in its economic growth, as a defense power. It is only natural that the national security challenges will rise proportionately in the same direction. So far, India has always been one of the biggest importers of arms and ammunition. But the aspiration of more than a billion people of becoming a formidable regional and economic power can no longer be dependent on imports. With an array of initiatives taken by the government of India to boost domestic defense sector, this time is absolutely right for the industry to seize the opportunities and achieve strategic interdependence in defense manufacturing. This way, we can really make India the net exporter of defense equipment. And this cannot happen with only a few top players involved. This will require a very robust ecosystem, and every component of this ecosystem must play their part in taking the industry to the next level. This is also one of the thought processes behind the Aerospace and Defense Summit. Well, we're just taking off, and I'm sure the future will be absolutely safe, strong, and self reliant. So let's begin the journey towards a truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.